So I recently had a brand send me these tires to review because I had been looking for some to replace our current tires on our ATV. So I just wanted to show a close-up and just give you all the info on them. So it's a 2-pack, and I'm gonna show you all the ins and outs and just go over them. Okay, so here's a closer look at the Garvee 26x9-12 all-terrain ATV tires before you buy. Like I said, they are a 2-pack. They're a tubeless design with a 6-ply construction that's intended for trail riding, hunting properties, farm use, and just different road terrain. Okay, so here's the overall look. The first thing I noticed was the aggressive tread pattern. The tread blocks are deep and widely spaced, which should help with traction and clearing out mud and debris. As you can see, the tread wraps around the shoulder of the tire as well, which can help provide additional grip when cornering or riding on uneven terrain. So taking a closer look at the tread depth, you can see these lugs are substantial. I measure them so you can get a better idea of what you're actually receiving rather than relying on product photos. If you're shopping online, I always find it helpful to see real measurements and close-up details before making a purchase. So here they are compared side by side with my current ATV tires. You can really see the difference in the tread design and overall aggressiveness. So depending on the condition of your existing tires, this gives you a good visual of what a fresh set could look like. What stands out to me is the larger tread blocks and the spacing between them, which should help maintain traction across a variety of terrain. I also wanted to show the sidewall construction and overall build quality. These have a 6-ply rating, which is designed to provide additional durability and resistance to punctures when you're riding through the terrain, wooded trails, or even rocks and roots. So the sidewalls feel sturdy without being excessively stiff. As you can see, while rolling and handling the tire, it feels solid and well built. Sometimes product photos don't really give you a sense of the tire's actual size and construction, so I wanted to include plenty of footage from different angles. Overall, if you're looking for a ATV tire with an aggressive all-terrain tread pattern, these appear to offer a durable construction and design that's geared towards traction and a variety of riding conditions. I hope this closer look helps you decide whether these are the right fit for your ATV. Thanks for watching.